Not a garage sale. I know what I look like. Okay.
A mirror.
We almost got 2. And they always give me free flowers. Always.
Hello friends and welcome back. My hubby is outside cleaning this garage. Everything you see here was a hodgepodge in our garage, a total dumpster fire. While my hubby is outside gutting the garage, I'm inside cleaning. Oh my god, I'm so fat. Can somebody get me one of those GLP-1s or something? I have a love-hate relationship with this glass top. I feel like it takes a lot to really get it like squeaky clean, and I'm scared of it. And I swear there's a scratch on it, but Eric says that you can just buff it out. I don't know about that, but anyway, I polish my stainless steel every weekend. I may not clean out the fridge every weekend, but the outside looks nice. I will also polish my garbage can. It's a double garbage can. One side is recycle, one side is for garbage. And it's stainless steel, and I can't stand streaks or marks or fingerprints or anything. Also, too, the countertops are huge. So I have to go on one side and then go on the other side because I can't reach it from either side. Then I'm going to fill up the dog's bin. We have this bin on wheels. We have 3 little puppies. So we just buy the IMS bag for small dogs. And put it in this bin. That's what we do, yeah. Okay, as my hubby was cleaning out the garage, he kept bringing me treasures.
Looks like I need more flour.
He found an old Marlboro, like, rain jacket or something like that. I don't know. He kept coming at me with all kinds of stuff he was finding in the garage. So anyway, he found these vases that I had received flowers in, obviously, most likely from him. So they had to get a good cleaning.
In case you didn't know or you were not aware, you can take vases that you received from gifts, flowers, whatever, delivered to you, and you can actually give them back to the flower shop. I've done it several times, and they always give me free flowers. Always. All right, we're going to talk about the cardboard situation for a minute. I came home last week to an odor. Okay, we're going to say that. And needless to say, the 2 of the 3 dogs had a tummy issue. So we had to pull everything out. Everything had to come out. The crates went to the back deck. We washed everything down. We bleached it because somebody had a tummy issue. So we have been a little leery about what's going to happen when we're at work. So we've had this cardboard down for probably, 4 or 5 days now, because what we came home to was traumatic. But anyway, so for right now, we have the cardboard until we know for sure there are no more tummy issues, because there was a couple of other little incidents. So we have been bleaching and cleaning everything. All the dogs got a bath that night. We're even washing their collars. Their collars still aren't on. And needless to say, we threw out the blankets that were in their crates, and they got brand new ones. We got the blankets from Walmart. They were $7 and some change. Anyway, this one's going to be Piper's. We thought it looked like her. So she's our I call her my little Georgia girl, because she did come from Georgia. They were going to euthanize her, and a lady around here who does like a rescue found out. She took the whole litter, like the whole litter. Like, her siblings are around here somewhere because she took all of them, and she adopted every one of them out. We almost got 2. This is going to be Lucy's, and then this one's going to be Batman. See the little dogs on it? So they're getting brand new blankets today. I'm so sorry I look like this. I've been cleaning all day. Cleaning and resetting everything. I know what I look like, okay? All right, so I made this Green Goddess Marinade for some chicken thighs that we did the other night. I filmed it. I don't know what happened to I don't know. My phone is wonky, okay? So I'm gonna redo it because it was that good. And I want it to go on top of like a sauce. So parsley's going in. Chives are going in. Calls for green onions. We actually have green onions in our garden. I don't think that's enough, so I'm going to cut some more. No, this might be excessive. I don't know. I really liked this marinade. I saw, where did I see this? I saw this on the YouTube channel, The Wads, Kimberly. I don't know, man. It's so good. It was so good. So I'm just literally making this as a sauce to go on top of the chicken that we grilled. So it's chives, green onion, parsley, 1 lemon. It called for, I think, 3 cups of basil. We actually have basil in our garden, but I had this tube of basil. I think I bought it at Walmart because we couldn't find basil. And then we ended up finding a plant, which was in our, we put it in our garden. It called for 3 cups, but I'm not going to touch that plant. I'm just going to put, I don't know, 4 or 5 of this because I have this open. This is open and ready to go, so I'm not even going to disturb our basil. Calls for 4 cloves of garlic, but we always chop garlic and put it in olive oil, so I'm thinking that's too. I think that's enough. That is enough. That's enough. And it also calls for Greek yogurt. We go with the plain, well, obviously it's going to be plain because it's a marinade. I'm putting this on top of the chicken we grilled up as like a sauce. But Greek yogurt, how many? 17 grams of protein. Sounds good. Salt and pepper. And I did add red pepper flakes when I made it. Pepper. But we don't mind heat, so. You guys, when I tell you, this was so good. It was so good. All right, now let's hope this sucker turned on. Because we all know how food processors. Oh, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Oh, that's what that chunky monkey looks like right there. Mmm. Yum. Ow.
I don't know what happened, but he's so dramatic. Trust me, he's not hurt.
Oh my God.
All right, so red onion, Kalamata, black olives, banana peppers, Cubanelle peppers, roasted red pepper strips that I cut down, pepperoncinis, and some marinated artichoke hearts that we got from D'Amico's in Oviedo. So good. It's zesty Italian craft dressing.
All right, so the pasta has cooled down, so now I can work with it. I'm going to add all the ingredients plus the zesty Italian dressing and mix it up.
Olives, Cubanelle peppers, banana peppers, artichoke hearts, pepperoncinis, roasted red peppers, red onion. Shake her up. Pour half the bottle and stir it up. Listen, it doesn't have to be extra. It doesn't have to be anything. This pasta salad is perfection. The noodles are going to soak up some of the Italian dressing, so I'll add a little bit more. Like once everything is a little bit combined and has been chilled for a few hours, I'll taste it and I will probably more than likely add more Italian dressing. That's pasta salad. You can add some cheese, some salami, any kind of meat you want. This is what I'm doing.
This is the chicken we're going to grill up tonight. Eric already did a little rub on it and just let it sit in the fridge. Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, this one got a little more fire.
It's okay.
But it's the skin. So,
Mmm.
if you like crispy skin, you're good. If you don't, peel it off. I bet you the meat's perfect. I guarantee you the meat's perfect.
This looks good. Friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Like and follow for more.